But you said it was free! I think it's time I address something very important. One question that I get quite often regarding this training series right here is it actually free? The answer is, the training itself is completely free. You could apply this entire blueprint to anything that you're promoting already. If you're in any sort of affiliate program, any sort of network marketing type of deal right now, you could apply this exact blueprint. However, if you want to become a reseller of the exact platform that I'm leveraging right here, it's anywhere from 20 to 200 bucks. It doesn't go any higher than that. You don't have to worry about all these like higher ticket upsells in the back end like you do with other programs. You don't have to worry about getting any other tools on the back end and then connecting all these different things together. Everything you get right here is an all-in-one platform. You get everything you need included with it, and the product itself helps you save money. So you save more than the cost of the membership itself, making this one of the most low-risk businesses that you could possibly start online. And that is exactly why I offer that and why I choose to promote this in the training series, because I know it's a newbie-friendly program and a lot of newbies have had success with this. So if you want to see exactly how I've created a full-time income online, working about an hour a day right from that device, you can check out my entire blueprint by going to this URL right here, and I'll show you everything I do step by step.